How to change Android icon shape into different shapes. So in today's tutorial, we'll be learning about changing Android icon shapes into different shapes like square, teardrop, circle, and many more. So make sure to watch the video till the end so that by the end of the video, you will know how to do it. So firstly, what you need to do is you need to simply tap and hold on a particular area on this home screen of your Android device. And at the bottom, you will see different options like wallpaper, icons, and many more. Simply, you need to select icons option here. And once you open the icons option, as you can see under the shape, we can see the current or the recent shape is set to circle. If you wish to change this Android icon shape into different shape, then you can simply select any one of the shape that you wish to change in. You can also simply see the preview at the top of the screen, and which you find best you can easily set on that shape as well. Beside the customs, you will see the different shapes like pebble and material style also. And you can also change the icon shape by using the slider. If you want to increase it, then you can increase the slider. If you wish to decrease it, you can also decrease the slider. If you wish to show app's name, you need to toggle on the bottom. Otherwise, if you can or if you don't want to do that, you can easily toggle on the button. And after that, if you wish to change the app name size, then you can also increase the slider and decrease it as well. So in this way, you can select the apply button at the bottom of the screen when it is finalized, and if you see that the icon shape has already been changed as well as the size has also been changed. So that is how we easily change Android icon shape. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share and comment. If you are new to our channel, then subscribe and press the notification bell so that you won't miss any updates from this channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.